Guys, IrwinTech here, back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a YouTube thumbnail tutorial, so I hope you enjoy it. If you haven't already, smash the subscribe button and turn on those post notifications to never miss an upload. We're so close to 400, so just smash that subscribe button. You guys have been requesting this video a lot, so finally made it. So yeah guys, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so once you're at their website, links in the description below, canva.com, it'll ask you to sign up for an account. So you go ahead and sign up for an account. So what you do, you'll see a bunch of options. You want to go up to create a design, and then you can just go search and you type in YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail right here, and then it will go ahead and put you into this place where you have to design your thumbnail. So yeah guys, so what you want to do first, I'm going to go ahead. What I want to do first is background. You usually want to search up, I usually do a custom background. You have all these choices to choose from and all these colors. But after I've used all these colors, there's this button right here. You can go new color, and then I kind of like pick like a range from like maybe here. Let me darken it a little bit. Make like a color that looks like bright and good. Then after that, you can go to elements, then you can scroll down to shapes, and there'll be a square. You go ahead and add that. I normally change the color to white because I know that looks good. Shorten it to about a good length. Then you want to move this up to like, see that purple like square? You want to have it like at the edge of that right there. And then after that, you want to go over to text on the side, add a heading, type YouTube. Then you're probably wanting like the font, and then like, I don't like this font, I used it, but what you want to do is go here and search up Peace Sans. Peace Sans. Click on that. This is some things I use for mine because it looks nice and bold. And then I go ahead and put it in here. I make sure both of the lines, it's equal in the middle and it's straight down the middle. Then after that, you want to click on your white thing, and you want to do Control-C, Control-V to make copies of it depending on your text. And then you want to just go ahead and copy and paste this, change the code, change the letters, and do thumbnail, or whatever words you want. Your thumbnail, whatever words you're going to use for your picture. You want this to be like bright, big, to stand out. Make sure it's centered in the middle and on the side, and then you can copy and paste the white background. Again, make sure the spacing between all three of those white squares are equal, like there's not too less or like too big. And then go ahead and just copy and paste the text again and change it. For my instance, it's YouTube thumbnail tutorial, but it'll be different for you guys because you guys put in different text. I don't know. And then you need to do tutorial. I don't know if you spelled that right. Make sure it's centered in the middle, capitals at the beginning. And then usually what I do is I go over to my uploads. These are all the ones I've uploaded in my life. I go search on the internet, like emoji or the picture I want. I download it onto my computer and then upload it by doing this. I just find it and upload it. And then what I like to do first, let's see, I have this picture I use a lot right here. I have this. But since it might cover up those texts right here, I like to do, if my text can be on either side, wherever you want, I like it on this side, but if it's aiming this way, they have a flip feature, and it says flip horizontal, and it just flips it to the side and looks like, and then I can enlarge it just like this, and then cover it down, and then it looks like it pretty good, right? You're probably wondering how I made that photo. I took it using an app on my computer, and then I went to removebg.com, links in the description below, and removed the background. Then usually I have to scroll way past to my old videos because I have this surprised emoji face because, yeah, right here, because it, usually draws viewers' attention. I make it small. I generally put it up here in the corner and tilt it a little bit like that. And then for a thumbnail, you could add like YouTube symbol, like this one right here. You could add like YouTube right here. Make it nice and big though, YouTube, and or up here, wherever you like to put it. I'd probably put it up here so you're pointing at it. And then you can add all these designs. This would be the thumbnail for this video. If I do decide to use this, this is what you'll be seeing. So this is basically what I do for my YouTube thumbnails, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications to never miss an upload. Also subscribe for a shout out, comment down below you subscribe, and you'll get a shout out in my next video. Here are the shout outs for this video on the screen right now. Go subscribe to them. And if you subscribe to me, one of these shout outs could be you guys, so I hope you enjoy. And I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.